Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write code. ChatGPT is one of the most famous AI nowadays, and you can use ChatGPT to ask it anything you want as long as it's in the capacity of its artificial intelligence. So, for example, we want to ask ChatGPT to write us a code. What you need to do is go to your browser. You can use the browser of your phone or your laptop or computer and then search for ChatGPT. And then you will need to click this first link introducing ChatGPT. Once you click that, you need to click this one, try ChatGPT. So you will have to open another new tab. And for mine, my session is expired. I need to log in again. So if you haven't had a ChatGPT account yet, you need to click the sign up, and it's easy to sign up through your Google. Just like this, when I click login, I'm just gonna click continue to Google, and I'm gonna select my Google account that I want to use for my ChatGPT. So once you're signed up or logged in, you will be headed to the ChatGPT new chat page. So in here in the send message bar, just type here anything that you want to ask. For example, we want ChatGPT to write us down a code, right? So what we need to type is write basic Python greet function. So this is an example of a code. So when you click enter, ChatGPT will generate a solution for you. So there you go. You now have a Python code, and you can copy this code. Just click copy and then paste it to your Python compiler. So you can use any code or ask any code that you want to ask. Just copy it and paste to your compiler. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.